Stop! These 27 new Amazon kitchen gadgets can make cooking feel ridiculously easy, and once you see them in action, you'll wonder how you ever did it without them. A few are pure genius. Cook perfect frittatas every time with the Cuisinart FP2-24BK 10-inch nonstick set, just $100. Designed with premium nonstick surfaces, it ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. The durable black and stainless steel construction delivers even heat for flawless cooking, making it ideal for eggs, omelets, and more. Make perfect eggs in minutes with this microwave egg cooker, just $23. Cook or poach up to 2 eggs quickly for breakfast sandwiches and healthy meals. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and portable, it's the ultimate time-saving solution for home, travel, or on-the-go mornings. Create cafe-style drinks at home with the AmsChef 8-in-1 milk frother steamer, just $80. With 550W power and a 21-ounce capacity, it effortlessly makes hot or cold froth, warms milk, and even prepares baby food. Its sleek stainless steel design delivers smooth, creamy results for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate every time. Make perfect Japanese-style omelets with the Happy Studio Tamagoyaki pan, just $30. Its rectangular non-stick design lets you roll eggs effortlessly for authentic Tamagoyaki every time. With a matching lid and induction compatibility, it delivers even cooking and easy cleanup, ideal for quick, delicious meals at home. Open cans effortlessly with the Zuli Kitchen Heavy Duty Can Opener, just $9. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, it features a smooth turn knob and comfortable soft grip handles for easy use. With a built-in bottle opener, it's a durable, all-in-one tool for everyday kitchen convenience. Make fresh, healthy yogurt at home with the Bear Yogurt Maker, just $69. This smart machine features timer control, a stainless steel inner pot, and a built-in strainer for perfect Greek yogurt every time. With 2 glass jars included, you can also create cheese and fruit wine easily. Simple, natural, and delicious. Keep your kitchen organized and stylish with this magnetic knife block holder, just $36. Featuring strong enhanced magnets, it securely holds knives and metal tools for easy access and space-saving storage. Durable and multifunctional, it's the perfect modern solution for a clean, clutter-free countertop. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this 20-piece mixing bowl set, just $33. Featuring 6 stainless steel bowls with airtight lids, non-slip silicone bases, and 3 grater attachments, it's perfect for mixing, serving, and storage. With multiple sizes for every task, it's a complete, space-saving solution for everyday cooking and baking. Upgrade your kitchen with the Kraus Core 32-inch workstation sink, just $450. Crafted from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, it offers a spacious single bowl and built-in accessories for seamless prep and cleanup. Durable, modern, and highly functional, it transforms your sink into a complete kitchen workstation. Enjoy fresh, healthy popcorn anytime with the Presto Pop Light My Munch Hot Air Popper, just $35. This compact, personal-sized machine pops up to 8 cups using hot air, no oil needed. With a built-in serving bowl and sleek design, it's perfect for quick, mess-free snacking at home. Make every bite tender and flavorful with the JY Cookmint Meat Tenderizer, just $9. Featuring 48 ultra-sharp stainless steel needle blades, it breaks down tough fibers for juicier, faster cooking meat. Perfect for barbecue and marinades, it helps flavors soak in deeper for restaurant-quality results at home. Meet the 4-cup electric food processor, small in size, big on power. With 2 speeds and 4 sharp blades, it easily chops, dices, mixes, and purees everything from vegetables to meat and nuts. The dual-bowl design adds convenience and flexibility for any recipe. Fast, efficient, and easy to use, it's perfect for everyday cooking. All this versatility for just $32.97. Cook smarter with the Comfy 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This versatile 3-quart multi-cooker handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, sous vide, and warming with ease. Featuring a natural ceramic-coated nonstick pot, it delivers healthy, delicious meals, perfect for small kitchens and everyday convenience. Mash with power and precision using the Joyeldelf heavy-duty potato masher, just $10. Built with durable stainless steel and a comfortable silicone handle, it effortlessly crushes potatoes, beans, vegetables, and more. Strong, reliable, and easy to use, it's the perfect tool for smooth, delicious results every time. Slice pizza effortlessly with the Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel, just $9. This heavy-duty slicer features a sharp stainless steel blade and an ergonomic non-slip grip for smooth, controlled cuts every time. Complete with a protective blade cover and dishwasher-safe design, it's the perfect simple tool for any pizza night. Wash and dry your greens in seconds with this stainless steel salad spinner, just $34. The 4.8 quart capacity and smooth crank design make cleaning vegetables quick and effortless. Featuring a BPA-free build, non-slip base, and transparent lid, it's durable, easy to use, and perfect for fresh, crisp salads every time. Cook anything, anywhere with the Pro 2.5L electric hot pot. This all-in-one ceramic cooker features adjustable temperature, a lid, and steamer, perfect for ramen, frying, and more. Compact and portable, it's ideal for dorms, camping, or RVs. Quick, safe, and versatile cooking made easy. Clean your whisk in seconds with the whisk wiper, just $20. This clever multipurpose tool wipes away batter and sauces effortlessly, reducing waste and mess. Includes an 11 stainless steel whisk, making it perfect for baking and cooking. A simple, smart gadget and a great gift for any kitchen enthusiast. Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Coviet 25-in-1 bread maker, just $119. Featuring an automatic dual dispenser and multiple settings for gluten-free, dough, jam, yogurt, and more, it delivers perfect results every time. With a 2 lb capacity and sleek stainless steel design, it's your all-in-one solution for delicious, bakery-quality creations at home. Grill, press, and toast with ease using the OSTBA Panini Press Grill, just $40. With adjustable temperature control and 1200 W power, it cooks sandwiches, meats, and more to perfection. The 180 degrees open design gives you extra grilling space, while non-stick plates and a drip tray make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for fast, delicious meals at home. Grind fresh spices anytime with the Cactus Cutter K2 Pro electric grinder, just $60. This compact, battery-powered device delivers quick, automatic grinding up to 3 grams with precision and ease. Rechargeable, portable, and stylish in gradient green, it's perfect for fresh flavor on the go or in your kitchen. Make delicious cake pops in minutes with the Baby Cakes Mini Cake Pop Maker, just $25. This easy-to-use machine bakes 9 perfect cake pops at once with a non-stick surface for effortless release and cleanup. Featuring a power light, non-skid feet, and included recipes, it's the fun and simple way to create sweet treats at home. Brew authentic tea the traditional way with the Distalia Turkish Teapot Set, only $52.90. This stainless steel double pot design lets you heat water and steep tea simultaneously for rich, perfect flavor. Featuring a built-in strainer, samovar-style brewing, and eye-catching red handles, it's both functional and elegant for every tea lover. Upgrade your kitchen with the Mlysai oil and vinegar dispenser set. This 6-bottle set features premium glass containers and a sleek stainless steel holder with 360 degrees rotation for easy access. Perfect for oil, vinegar, soy sauce, and spices, stylish, organized, and convenient for any tabletop. Slice pizza like a pro with the Kitchen Star 16-inch rocker blade cutter, just $25. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel design delivers clean, effortless cuts in one smooth motion. The large size handles big pizzas with ease, while the protective cover and dishwasher-safe build make it safe and convenient for everyday use. Cook anywhere with the Ovent electric countertop single burner. With 1000 W power, a durable 6-inch stainless steel coil, and 5-level temperature control, it's perfect for quick meals. Compact, easy to clean, and ideal for small spaces, dorms, or travel cooking. Slice homemade bread perfectly every time with this bamboo bread slicer, just $40. Adjustable width guides help you cut even, consistent slices with ease, while the compact design saves space in your kitchen. Durable, eco-friendly, and simple to use, it's the perfect tool for fresh, bakery-style results at home. Keep your snacks fresh longer with this mini USB rechargeable bag sealer. Designed with a 2-in-1 heat sealer and built-in cutter, it quickly reseals plastic bags for airtight storage. Compact and portable, it's perfect for home or travel. No more wasted food or stale snacks. Make perfect pasta every time with the GlickSeal wooden spaghetti measuring tool. Designed with 4 portion holes, it helps you control serving sizes quickly and easily, reducing waste and overcooking. Simple, lightweight, and durable, it's a must-have kitchen accessory for everyday cooking. At just $6.59, it's an affordable way to bring precision to your pasta nights. Meet the Chefman 12-quart 5-in-1 air fryer oven, your all-in-one family cooking solution. With a sleek touchscreen, digital timer, and 12 preset cooking options, it makes meals fast and effortless. Air fry, bake, roast, or reheat with crispy, delicious results every time. Its large family-size capacity is perfect for gatherings, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. At just $109.99, it's the perfect upgrade for smarter, healthier cooking at home. Create perfect bite-sized treats with this 2 PCS cake pop mold kit, just $12. Easily cut, shape, and assemble round cake pops using the cutter and pusher, then finish with sticks, bags, and ties included. Ideal for birthdays, weddings, holidays, and home baking, it makes dessert decorating fun, simple, and professional looking. Meet the Mueller Pro Chopper, the original favorite since 2013 for fast, hassle-free meal prep. This 10-in-1 kitchen essential features 8 versatile blades to chop, slice, dice, and julienne with precision. Perfect for onions, veggies, and more, it delivers uniform cuts in seconds. The built-in container keeps your kitchen clean and organized. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, this time-saving tool is a must-have. All for just $29.99. Upgrade your kitchen with this 3-pack teak wood cutting board set, just $56. Crafted from heavy-duty, non-toxic hardwood, these thick, durable boards are perfect for chopping meat, prepping meals, or serving charcuterie. With multiple sizes for every task, they double as elegant over-the-sink boards and stylish serving platters for everyday cooking and entertaining. Clean your food the smarter way with the Cutinum fruit and vegetable purifier. Using advanced OH ion purification technology, it removes dirt and impurities from fruits, veggies, meat, and seafood. Compact and easy to use, it ensures safer, fresher meals every time. Peel faster and safer with the Mutter 4-piece finger vegetable peeler set. Designed with a comfortable rubber finger grip, it gives you better control while peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Compact, easy to use, and efficient, perfect for quick everyday kitchen prep. Make opening cans effortless with this USB rechargeable electric can opener. With one-touch, hands-free operation, it delivers smooth, safe edges every time, perfect for stress-free kitchen use. Its compact cordless design is ideal for seniors and everyday cooking convenience. No sharp edges, no struggle, just quick and easy opening. All for just $15.99. Cook faster anywhere with the Cuisinmax 1800W double burner hot plate. Featuring powerful ceramic infrared heating and dual controls, it heats up in seconds and works with all cookware. Compact, portable, and perfect for home, dorms, or extra cooking space. Keep your knives organized and dry with this sleek slanted knife block. Made from durable carbon steel with a built-in drain tray, it offers safe, stylish, and space-saving countertop storage. Create perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRIMPT large tortilla sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it effortlessly makes tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without the mess. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, it's a quick, fun, and easy way to upgrade your everyday cooking. Cook anywhere with the Drizzle foldable electric cooker. Designed with dual voltage, 100-240V, it's perfect for travel, camping, offices, or hotels. Made from food-grade silicone, it boils, steams, and cooks noodles or soup with ease. Foldable, compact, and convenient, your go-to portable kitchen solution. Select 53 more words to run Humanizer. Cook more in less time with this 20-inch XL indoor grill electric griddle. Powered by 1800W, it delivers even heat for pancakes, eggs, and more. The non-stick surface, adjustable temperature, and drip tray make cooking and cleanup quick and effortless. Cook healthy, delicious meals with ease using the Bella 2-tier food steamer. Its stackable baskets let you steam multiple foods at once, saving time in the kitchen. The spacious 7.4 quart capacity is perfect for family meals, while the removable base ensures easy cleanup. With built-in auto shutoff and boil-dry protection, it's safe and reliable every time. All this convenience and versatility for just $39.99. Create perfect pizzas every time with the Blue Pizza Dough Docker. This handy roller with spikes evenly pierces dough to prevent air bubbles and blistering during baking. Easy to use and durable, it's a must-have tool for both home cooks and professional kitchens. Smooth, even crusts made simple. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the SunCleanse roll-up dish drying rack, just $9. This foldable over-the-sink design saves counter space while quickly drying dishes, utensils, and cookware. Heat-resistant, durable, and easy to roll up for storage, it's the perfect smart solution for everyday kitchen convenience.
Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Neretva 20-in-1 bread maker. Featuring dual heaters for even baking, a 2 lb capacity, and a non-stick ceramic pan, it delivers perfect results every time. With a 15-hour timer, 1-hour keep warm function, and low-noise operation, all for $199.99.
Keep your salads fresh and crisp with the Mr.Sega Large Salad Spinner. This 6.87 quart bowl lets you easily wash, spin, and drain greens, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. The built-in strainer ensures fast water removal for perfectly dry produce every time. Durable, easy to use, and efficient, perfect for healthy meal prep. All for just $29.98. Handle heat with confidence using the Cuisinart Mini Oven Mitts, just $16. Designed with a non-slip neoprene palm and heat-resistant cotton filling, they provide a secure, comfortable grip. Compact yet durable, they're perfect for baking, cooking, and quick oven tasks, with a handy loop for easy storage. Cook healthier meals with the Cook with Color 3L Glass Mini Rice Cooker. Perfect for low-carb living, it cooks up to 6 cups of rice with ease. Featuring a digital panel, keep warm function, auto lift filter basket, and steaming option, it's compact, versatile, and ideal for everyday cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with the Charmline Smart Cutting Board and Knife Set. Designed with a space-saving holder, it features self-cleaning and drying technology for ultimate hygiene and convenience. Perfect for everyday use or as a thoughtful gift. Brings smart organization home for just $110. Bake perfect pizzas at home with the Anatole Electric Pizza Oven. Powered by 1800W, it features adjustable time and temperature controls for precise cooking. The 12-inch capacity, removable grill, and crumb tray make it easy to use and clean, delicious, crispy results every time.